Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Insane Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss a problem in which ABCD is rectangle, E is point on AD of the rectangle such that angle BEC is right angle, C1, C2, C3 are three circles as shown in figure, PQR are the centers of these circles, extended BP and CE intersect at point F, extended CR and BE intersected at point G. We need to calculate the angle FQG. So now in the solution what we have done, we just joined the point BCE to the point Q. Now we can see BE and BC are tangent to the circle C2. Therefore these two angles will be equal. Let us suppose these are M. In the same manner BA and BE are tangent to the circle C1. Therefore these two angles will be equal. Let us suppose they are N. So as we know angle ABC is 90 degree, therefore twice of N plus twice of M is equals to 90 degree. So M plus N will be 45 degree. Now we can see PQ या FBQ is M plus N. So that means angle FBQ is 45 degree. Let us suppose this is the equation 1. Now in the same manner EB and EC is tangent to the circle C2. That means these two angles will be equal and each of 45 degree, 90 by 2, because the angle BEC is 90 degree. That means we can write angle FEQ will be 90 plus 45, 90 plus 45 degree, that is 135 degree. Now in the quadrilateral FEQB, we can see the angle FBQ plus angle FEQ, 45 plus 135 will be 180 degree. Therefore FEQB is cyclic quadrilateral, because यहाँ पर रीजन लिख देंगे हम FBQ plus angle FEQ is equals to 45 plus 135, that is equals to 180 degree. Now just apply the angle sum property in the triangle BEF. We can see angle F या BFE will be 90 minus N. So by using the property of cyclic quadrilateral, we can find the angle BQE. Angle BQE, that is equals to 180 minus angle F, and 180 minus angle F, that is BFE, that is 90 minus N. So it becomes 90 plus N. Now what we have to calculate angle EQF. So angle EQF can be written as angle BQE minus angle FQB. As it is already known that FEQB is cyclic quadrilateral, that means angle FEB is equals to FQB is equals to 90 degree, because angle in the same segment. That means BQE we have calculated 90 plus N, and FQB is 90 degree. So it become angle N. So angle EQF is angle N. In the same manner, we can prove GEQC is cyclic quadrilateral, and with the same steps, we can find this angle EQG. EQG, that is M. So we need to calculate angle FQG. Angle FQG, that is equals to M plus N. M plus N, and M plus N is what? 45 degree. This will be our answer. So if you like the video, do consider subscribe the channel.